Hello everyone. In this video we will do exercise 12.1 and the chapter is algebraic expressions. So first we have question number 1. Get the algebraic expression in the following using variables, constant and arithmetic operations. So first we have question number 1, seventh part. Product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. So first of all, write the product of y and z, which is equal to y z, and according to given statement it is given that product of y and z subtracted from 10, therefore required algebraic expression becomes algebraic expression becomes 10 minus yz. So this is the required algebraic expression for this statement. Next is 8th part, sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. So first of all, write the sum of a and b, which is equal to a plus b, and the product of a and b is equal to ab. Now according to this given statement, it is given that sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product, therefore required algebraic expression for this statement becomes ab minus a plus b. So this is the required algebraic expression for this given statement. Next is question number 2, first part. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expressions. Show the terms and factor by tree diagrams. So first we have question number 2, 1, D part. The given algebraic expression be 5xy square plus 7x square y. Now to show the terms and factor by tree diagram, first of all write here expression 5xy square plus 7x square y. Since this expression contains two terms, so write here terms 5xy square and 7x square y. Now factors of these terms be represented as factors of 5xy square be 5x, y and y, and factors of 7x square y be 7x, x and y. So this is the required tree diagram to show terms and factors by. Next is E part. The given expression is minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. Again, to show the terms and factor by tree diagram, first of all write here expression minus ab plus 2b square minus 3a square. Since this expression contains three terms, so write here terms minus ab 2b square minus 3a square. Now factors of the terms be, first of all factors of minus ab be minus 1, a and b. Factors of 2b square be 2b and b, and factors of minus 3a square be minus 1, 3, a and a. So this is the required tree diagram to show terms and factors. Next is question number 2, second part. Identify terms and factors in the following expressions. So first we have expression 5y plus 3y square. Since this expression contains the term 5y and 3y square. Now factors of 5y be 5, y, and factors of 3y square be 3, y, y. Next expression xy plus 2x square y square. Now this expression contains the term xy and 2x square y square. Now factors of xy be x, y, and factors of 2x square y square be 2, x, x, y, y. Next expression is PQ plus Q. Now this expression contains the term PQ and Q. Now factors of PQ be P comma Q and factors of Q be Q as it is. Next is expression 1.2ab minus 2.4b plus 3.6a. Now this expression contains the term 1.2ab minus 2.4b and 3.6a. Now factors of the term 1.2ab be 1.2 comma a comma b and factors of term minus 2.4b be minus 2.4 comma b and factors of the term 3.6a be 3.6 comma a. Next expression is 3 by 4x plus 1 by 4. Since this expression contains the term 3 by 4x and 1 by 4. Now factors of 3 by 4x be 3 by 4 comma x and factors of 1 by 4 be 1 by 4 as it is. Next expression is 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. Now this expression contains the term 0.1 p square and 0.2 q square. Now factors of term 0.1 p square be 0.1 comma p and factors of term 0.2 q square be 0.2 comma q comma q. Next is question number 3. Identify the numerical coefficient of the terms other than constant in the following expressions. So first we have question number 3. Part 5, the expression is minus p square q square plus 7pq. Now this expression contains the term minus p square q square and 7pq. Since this term having numerical factor minus 1, therefore coefficient of term minus 7p square q square is minus 1 and the numerical factor of 7pq is 7. Therefore, coefficient of term 7pq is 7. Next is 6th part. The expression is 1.2a plus 0.8b. Now this expression contains the term 1.2a and 0.8b. Since the numerical factor of this term 1.2a is 1.2, therefore coefficient of term 1.2a is 1.2 and the numerical factor of the term 0.8b is 0.8. Therefore coefficient of term 0.8b is 0.8. Next 7th part, the expression is 3.14 r square. Since this expression contains only one term, that is 3.14 r square. Now the numerical factor of this term is 3.14. Therefore coefficient of this term is 3.14. Next is 8th part, 2 multiplied by L plus B. This expression can also be written as 2L plus 2B. Now this expression contains the term 2L and 2B. Since 2L having numerical factor 2, therefore the coefficient of term 2L is 2. Again the numerical factor of term 2B is again 2. Therefore coefficient of term 2B is again 2. Next is 9th part. The expression is 0.1y plus 0.01 y square. Since this expression contains the term 0.1y and 0.01 y square. Since 0.1y having numerical factor 0.1, therefore coefficient of the term 0.1y is 0.1 and term 0.01 y square having numerical factor 0.01, therefore coefficient of the term 0.01 y square is 0.01. Next is question number 4, A part. Identify terms which contain x and give the coefficient of x. So first we have question number 4, A, 4th part. the given expression is 5 plus z plus zx. Now in this expression, term containing x be zx. Therefore, coefficient of x in term zx be z. Next, fifth part, the given expression is 1 plus xy. Now in this expression, terms containing x be x and xy. Now coefficient of x in this term be 1 and coefficient of x in this term be y. Next, sixth part, the given expression is 12xy square plus 25. Now term containing x in this expression be 12x y square. Now coefficient of x in this term be 12 y square. Next, seventh part, the given expression is 7x plus xy square. Now in this expression, terms containing x be 7x and x y square. Now coefficient of x in this term be 7 and coefficient of x in this term be y square. So these are the required coefficient of the term zx, x, xy, 12xy square, 7x and xy square in the given algebraic expressions. Next is B part. Identify terms which contain y square and give the coefficient of y square. Now B, second part, the given expression is 5y square plus 7x. Now in this expression, term containing y square is 5y square and coefficient of y square in this term is 5. Next, third part, the given expression is 2x square y minus 15xy square plus 7y square. Now in this expression, term containing y square be minus 15xy square and 7y square. Now coefficient of y square in term minus 15xy square is minus 15x and coefficient of y square in term 7y square is 7. So 5 minus 15x, 7 be the required coefficients of the term 5y square minus 15xy square and 7y square of the given algebraic expressions. Next is question number 6. State whether a given pair of terms is of like or unlike terms. So first we have question number 6, first part, 1, 100. Since both terms are constant term, therefore 1, 100 be the pair of like terms. Next, second part, minus 7x, 5 by 2x. Since both terms having same algebraic factor x, therefore again minus 7x, 5 by 2x be the pair of like terms. Next, third part, minus 29x, minus 29y. Since this term contain algebraic factor x and this term contain algebraic factor y, and x and y both are different, therefore minus 29x, minus 29y be the pair of unlike terms. Next, fourth part, 14xy, 42yx. Now 14xy having algebraic factor xy and 42yx having algebraic factor yx, and algebraic factor xy is the same as that of algebraic factor yx. Therefore 14xy and 42yx be the pair of like terms. Next, fifth part, 4n square p comma 4m p square. Since 4m square p having algebraic factor m square p and 4m p square having algebraic factor m p square, and m square p and m p square are not equal. Therefore, 4m square p and 4m p square be the pair of unlike terms. Next is sixth part, 12xz comma 12x square z square. Since algebraic factor of term 12xz be xz and algebraic factor of term 12x square z square be x square z square, and xz is not same as that of x square z square. Therefore, 12xz and 12x square z square be the pair of unlike terms.